He himself has said that he is a friend of Mr. Epstein.
Oh,
Sir, I'm talking about oil security, sir. Sir, I'm talking about oil national.
माननीय
I'm
सदस्य-
talking about economic security, sir.
माननीय सदस्य
Sir, here I have a document which shows that his daughter has received money from
माननीय
George Soros.
सदस्य
Honorable Speaker Sahab, this is not the moment for rumor mongering or fake narratives.
Opposition MPs, including Leader of Opposition Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi, protested in Parliament premises over the LPG crisis across the country.
There is no need to panic. But PM himself is panicked for completely different reasons, right? So he is himself panicked. He's panicked because of Epstein. He's panicked because of Adani case. He's not able to come inside the house. You saw yesterday the Prime Minister's chair खाली पड़ी थी, अंदर नहीं पा रहे हैं. तो देश को कह रहे पैनिक मत करो, अपने आप पैनिक हैं.
Speaker Om Birla returned to the Lok Sabha a day after the no confidence motion against the Speaker was defeated.
कुछ माननीय सदस्यों ने कहा कि प्रतिपक्ष के नेता को बोलने से रोका जाता है, उन्हें बोलने का पर्याप्त अवसर नहीं दिया जाता है. मैंने इस पावन पीठ को स्पष्ट करना चाहता हूं, चाहे सदन में नेता हो या चाहे प्रतिपक्ष के नेता हो या कोई मंत्रीगण हो, कोई भी सदस्य हो, सभी मान्य सदस्यों को सदन के अंदर नियमों के तहत प्रक्रिया के तहत ही बोलने का अधिकार निहित है. सदन द्वारा स्वीकृत प्रक्रिया नियमों एवं स्थायी आदेशों के अधीन है. नियम 352 के 11 के उपनियमों में मान्य सदस्यों के लिए विस्तृत निर्देश अंकित है. सदन में बोलते समय किन किन बातों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए, किस प्रकार के तथ्य और किस प्रकार के वाक्यों को नहीं बोलना चाहिए.
Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi brought up Epstein-Hardeep Singh Puri link in the Parliament, stating that the Petroleum and Natural Gas Minister himself said that Epstein was his friend.
A war has broken out in the Middle East. The United States, Israel, and Iran are at war. This war is going to have far-reaching consequences. The central artery from where 20% of the global oil flows, Strait of Hormuz, has been closed, and this is going to have tremendous repercussions, particularly for us, because a very large portion of our oil and natural gas comes through the Strait of Hormuz. The pain has just started. Restaurants are closing. There's widespread panic about LPG. Street vendors are affected. And as I said, this is only the beginning. The foundation of every single nation is its energy security. And I do not say this lightly, but allowing the United States to decide who we buy oil from, who we buy gas from, whether we can buy oil from from Russia or not, whether our relationship with different oil suppliers can be decided by us. This is what has been bartered. And this is a very puzzling fact for me. It has been a very puzzling fact why a nation the size of India would allow any other nation, the president of another nation, to give us permission to buy Russian oil, to decide who our relationships are with. And this has been a puzzle, and I've been trying to figure this puzzle out. And I have figured the puzzle out. And the puzzle is about compromise. We have a gentleman sitting here who is the oil minister. He himself has said that he is a friend of Mr. Epstein.
Oh,
Sir, I'm talking about oil security, sir. Sir, I'm talking about oil national.
माननीय
I'm
सदस्य-
talking about economic security, sir.
माननीय सदस्य,
Sir, here I have a document which shows that his daughter has received money from
माननीय
George Soros.
माननीय सदस्य, आपने जो नोटिस दिया है, उस नोटिस पे बोलिए आप नोटिस पे बोलिए। माननीय सदस्य, आप प्रतिपक्ष के नेता हैं, मैं आपको फिर आग्रह करना चाहता हूं, आप नोटिस अगर इस बात पर बोलने होता है तो नोटिस आज इस बात का देते हैं। नो, नहीं बोलने, नहीं इजाजत दी जाएगी। ठीक है, ऐसे नहीं चलेगा सदन। आप अगर नोटिस के अंदर, नोटिस जिस विषय पर आपने नोटिस दिया था, मैंने सुबह भी कहा कि संसद नियम प्रक्रियाओं से चलती है। आपने जो नोटिस दिया है, आप उस नोटिस पे बोलिए। आपको अगर इस विषय पे बोलना है तो आप नोटिस देते, मैं अलाउ करता नहीं करता ये मैं तय करता, लेकिन ये तरीका ठीक नहीं है। नो, आप कोई रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जा रहा, आप नहीं बोलना चाहते इस विषय, ठीक है। नो, हाँ, इस विषय पर, जिस विषय पे नोटिस दिया उस विषय पे नोटिस पे बोलिए। अगर आपको इस डिटेल पे बोलना है तो उस पे नोटिस दीजिए आप। नो, धर्मेंद्र यादव जी, आप बोलना चाहते हैं?
सभापति, लीडर ऑपोजिशन को सर बोलने दीजिए, बात पूरी हो जाए।
लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन है,
पूरी बात हो जाए
तो
लीडर
नियमों से
ऑपोजिशन की, सर।
बोलेंगे, नियम के विपरीत नहीं बोल सकते। जिस विषय पे उन्होंने नोटिस दिया है, नोटिस सदन के पटल पे है, उस विषय पर बोले हुए।
Meanwhile, the opposition chanted Epstein's slogans while Puri rejected oil crisis narrative, calling it fake.
Non-Hormuz sourcing has risen to approximately 70% of crude imports, up from 55% before the conflict began. India sources crude from 40 countries as against 27 in 2006 and 7. This structural diversification, built through sustained policy over successive years, has given us options that other nations find themselves without. Refineries are operating at high capacity utilization. In several cases, they are exceeding 100%. There is no shortage of petrol, diesel, kerosene, ATF or fuel oil. The availability of petrol, diesel, aviation, turbine fuel, kerosene and fuel oil is fully assured. Retail outlets across the country are stocked and supply chains for these products are functioning normally. Additional allocation of PDS kerosene has been issued to all the states. Large LNG cargoes are arriving on an almost daily basis through alternative supply routes, and India has sufficient gas production and supply arrangements to sustain this position even in the event of a prolonged conflict. Power generation for every household and for industry is fully protected. Honourable Speaker, sir, it should be noted that India was previously importing approximately 60% of the LPG requirements from Gulf countries such as Qatar, UAE, Saudi Arabia and Kuwait, and 40% is produced domestically. Procurement has now been actively diversified, with cargoes being secured from the United States, Norway, Canada, Algeria and Russia, in addition to Gulf sources. The LPG control order is cooking gas. Hence, in the last 5 days, LPG production has been increased by 28% through refinery directive, and further procurement is actually underway. Modi government's foremost priority is that the kitchen of India's 33 crore families, especially the poor and the underprivileged, do not face any shortage. Domestic supply is fully protected and the delivery cycle is unchanged. The standard time for booking to delivery for domestic LPG cylinders remains 2.5 days, unchanged from pre-crisis norm. Hospitals and educational institutions have been placed on uninterrupted priority supply. And their access to LPG is fully assured regardless of broader demand conditions. Field reports cooperative federalism, responding to a national challenge with the coordination it demands. Honorable Speaker Sir, this is not the moment for rumor mongering or fake narratives. India is navigating the most severe global energy disruption in recorded history. Crude supply is flowing, gas is prioritized for homes and farms, LPG production has been stepped up by 28%. Consumer prices are held far below what makes markets and regional competitors and dictate. Schools are open. Petrol is on the forecourt. Every citizen, regardless of political affiliation, has a stake in that. India must stand united behind the energy warriors, behind the institution managing the crisis, and behind the national interest.